At the moment, three of us. One went to eat the food.
Oh, but so you guys are all here for the the Romanian.
Yeah, we got
Hello.
what? Yeah.
There's a few demos, so I'm just trying to work out who it's
Okay,
who. That's all.
I'll explain to you. We
Right.
got permission to stay here
fine,
from
yeah.
4 till
Yeah.
6 o'clock, and
Yeah,
there will
yeah.
be more people coming.
Yeah, that's fine. No
From
problem.
50 to 100, but I doubt how many exactly will be. So
Yeah.
around 50, I guess.
in relation to the Romanian issue.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
And Russia.
Yeah.
And Russian.
Yeah,
So basically,
absolutely. That's what I mean.
I would like briefly explain to you, because I really like police officers, British police officers, to have a just what's going on.
Overview.
Overview, yeah, sorry.
go on
My
then.
English is
Sure.
still learning. So I'll just show
Where are you
around.
from then? Romania?
No. Okay, myself, I'm from Chechnya. Chechnya is occupied by Russia, and they killed 300,000 our innocent people, including 42,000 children. So Chechnya was not enough for Russia. Then they went to Georgia, Syria, and now they came to the doorstep of Europe, to Ukraine. This guy is from Donbass, from occupied area by Russia, Ukrainian occupied area. I mean, Russian occupied Ukrainian territory. So is the journalist as well. So basically, we're campaigning against Russia and Romania, because basically this Amina, this lady, she was living in Ukraine after she escaped Chechen horror, where after she was tortured, humiliated, and after her mom was killed. So she ran away from occupied Chechen horror by Putin's run system, Kadyrov, so. And then she was living in Ukraine, no problems, but as we all witnessed recently, when 8 months ago, when Russia invaded Ukraine, she had to flee from Ukraine. But the Romania, in the border, all the other Romanians were let pass, but this lady with her 8-year-old child was arrested. The son, they let go to some far relatives, but she was placed to prison. So since then, she's in prison. After 180 days, legally they could maximum keep 180 days, but even after that, when on the day of release, 4 officers, Romanian 4 officers, illegally arrested her and put her on a detention center, and Romania is trying to extradite her to Russia based on false accusations and the request of the Russian Federation, the terrorist state we call them, because they are breaching all human rights. And we're asking Romania, don't believe and don't cooperate with Russia, because Russia is making problem, killing. Actually, we are saying stop Russia's membership in Interpol, because they requested through Interpol system. Russia is abusing Interpol system and trying to extradite all Chechens or Ukrainians or Tatars, everyone, whoever they don't like, they abuse Interpol membership. So we're campaigning basically against the Russian terror. We're asking free Amina. That's all. So I wanted briefly to explain to you, and for our followers as well, because I think through British police we can pass the message to Romanian police. That's because British would never do this kind of action, and they should take lesson from Britain and from the rest of the European police, because the human rights should be valued and followed. So at the moment, Romania is breaching European human rights. So I really appreciate your time. Thank you very much for listening. Enjoy your day.